let's get solving. First of all, you need to know which pieces are which. These pieces right here are corner pieces. They have 3 colors. This piece with 2 colors is an edge. And the center piece right here only has 1 color. White is always opposite from yellow, orange is opposite of red, and green is opposite of blue. So let's get started. So first, if we want to solve the cube, we have to scramble it. So let's get started. The first step is to find all the way edge pieces. After finding all the edge pieces, we have to line them against the yellow center. There's one done here. Let's do the rest. Once you have completed this, it should look like a flower. Now time for the next step. We have to line up one of the edge pieces with its corresponding center, apart from white. So for example, orange. Next, we bring it down so it matches with the white. Repeat for the rest of the edges, and then you will end up with a cross, a white cross to be exact. Now it's time for the hard part of the solve, to make the white layer. The way we do this is we have to find a white corner piece in the top layer, which by the way is this layer, connected with the yellow centerpiece. And then we move this corner piece to the slot above where it belongs, in between the white, orange and blue centerpiece. Like this. Next, do these moves. R, the right side up, U, the top layer clockwise, R prime, the right layer down, U prime, the top layer counterclockwise. Or you can just say 1, 2, 3, 4. And just repeat that until that corner piece is solved. Like this. Next, we repeat these for every single corner that has a white sticker. Now we've run into a problem. There are no more corners in the top layer. So what do we do? So you can go to any slot and just repeat R, U, R prime, U prime, or 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you've got another corner to work with. So repeat the moves, and this corner is now solved. So we only have one more left. So we just repeat it again, and we've solved our first layer.